My name is Anuhya. I am come from Paritala. My branch name is DANS.
Good afternoon, sir. Thanks for this opportunity. My name is Tejasri. I am from Bodwada, Jamavaram. My branch name is Anesthesia.
My name is Shushma. My branch name is Anesthesia. I am from Chetukallu.
My name is Praveena. My branch name is Anesthesia. I am from Kanchisharla. Good afternoon to one and all. My name is Aruna from Magallu. I have selected anesthesia course in this college.
My name is Navyasri. I am from Konduru. My branch is DNS.
My name is Parimala from Rudravaram. My branch name is DMSTOT. My name is Lavanya from Makkapeta. My branch name is Anesthesia.
My name is Lydia. I am from Jaggapeta. My branch is DMSTOT.
My name is Triveni. I am from Jaggapeta. My branch is DMS.
My name is Sunita from Chinnamadupalli. My branch name is OT.
I am Vinny. I am from Vijayawada. I am selected in DMLT OT in this college.
My name is Rizwana. I am from Kanchinjala, DMST. My name is Risha. I am selected from OT. I am from Kanchinjala.
My name is Parvati. I am from Vellinki OT.
అయిపోయిందా బాధ అయిపోయిందా